afternoon. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Montgomery County, Miami County, southwestern Champaign County, Clark County, northern Greene County, until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Tip City, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dayton, Springfield, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Troy, Trotwood, Piqua, Vandalia, Englewood, Tip City, Bellbrook, New Carlisle, West Milton, Oakwood, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, and Northridge. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 27 and 61. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 52 and 84. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.